And we are not bothered what does the UNO tell us, or the International Monetary Fund tells us, or what the Security Social Company tells us, that what is the basic requirement. It is according to the Islamic guidelines, which is mentioned in the Hadith, etc. If it is above that, then if it reaches the nisab level, then zakat has to be given. And secondly, it should be with the person for 1 full year. As I mentioned earlier, our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in the Hadith of Tirmidhi, Hadith number 631. The Prophet said that anyone who possesses wealth with him, or property, but natural, reaching the nisab level, that's surplus wealth, for 1 full year in his possession, then he should pay zakat on it. There is exception to this rule for farm products, as Allah says in Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 141, that give what is due according to what is proper on the day of harvest. Means if it's harvest, farm products, give it on the same day. You don't have to wait for 1 year.